Do you know that once you turn 18, you earn the right to register and vote in Nigeria's elections? That right is your power, your voice in shaping our nation. Do you know that if your permanent voter's card is lost, stolen or damaged, you can easily replace it? Do you know that if you move to a new town or city, you don't lose your right to vote? You can simply transfer your PVC to your new location. And the process is simple. Visit www.cvr.inecnigeria.org to register, replace or transfer your PVC today, or visit the INEC offices across the 774 local government for physical registration. Do you know that your PVC is more than a card? It is your voice, it is your duty, it is your contribution to building the Nigeria of our dreams. Don't stay silent. Register, replace, transfer, and most importantly, vote. I am Honorable Nasir Bala Aminu Oji, Senior Special Assistant to the President on Citizenship and Leadership, reminding you, your vote, your power, your Nigeria.